Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, west-central Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Durant, or 8 miles northwest of Rockton, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockton, Sherland, Candlewood Lake, McChesney Park, Caledonia, Harrison, Love Park, Durant, Roscoe, Rockford, South Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 4 p.m. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockton, Sherland, Candlewood Lake, McChesney Park, Caledonia, Harrison, Loves Park, Durand, Roscoe, Rockford, South Beloit, Timberlane, and Poplar Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.